I needed some gas. I only 50 cents filled this bitch.
Like, is you drunk? Like, is you I don't know. I get in my feeling quick, you acting up, I'm out of here. What you looking for? Like, is you here looking for love? I got a club going crazy.
What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Jay, back another banger today. As you can tell by the title, hold on, whoa, y'all. I know y'all see my granny around my neck, but today, as you can tell by the title, I'm finna be bringing out the mini bike on the dead homies. I'm with this bitch in a little minute. I just got this bitch fixed. Hey, oh shit, I'm forgetting my backpack and shit, y'all. Hold on, whoa. Let me get my backpack and shit. I got my snacks, I got my water. Hey. Oh my mama. Hey, they not. 12 not stopping me. I'm just gonna have to pull up for that. But usually they don't even pull me up. Oh mama. But I'm gonna get to y'all when I pull the mini bike out. Okay, y'all, I got the mini bike. Gonna see if this bitch start up first try. Let's see. Okay, we through here. They start up first try. But y'all, I'm finna set the map for downtown, and I'm gonna film little clips of me on my way. I'm gonna get to y'all. All right, y'all. First stop I had to make was at this Circle K. I needed some gas. I only 50 cents filled this bitch up. On my mama, we back on the road though. This time I'll record a little bit. Alright, y'all, I gotta see where we're going. Alright, y'all, we made it to 7th Avenue, Jefferson. We almost at that downtown shit. Alright, mama, niggas got here fast as a bitch. Nigga, it only been like a smooth little 5 minutes. Might need to hurry the fuck up, but oh yeah, y'all finna hit y'all when I get all the way down there. Alright, y'all, we made it to downtown. Look. City's beautiful as fuck. We just gonna drive through this bitch. Let's hope we don't get pulled over. y'all boys when I get to my next location.